Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna go over part 2 of setting up my first PC. I think in part 1, we did the bulk of the work, and then now we just need to make sure that we're setting up the computer. It took me a few days because I do also realize that I can't really get access to really fast Wi-Fi without connecting an Ethernet cable or getting like a Wi-Fi adapter. The Ethernet that I have right now is all the way in my bedroom and it connected to my router and modem and everything. So instead of getting like a super duper long wire, I got a Wi-Fi adapter from Amazon for like 36 bucks. I'll show you guys what it is too. Now the problem is in order for me to download Windows, I need a Windows computer. So I have a Mac and that's gonna be another issue that we need to solve. And we need to see if Betty's even working. So enjoy my struggles. It has colors. Okay. On. Yes. Oh. We have life. There's life. Okay, so by the time that you're watching this, it's been a few weeks now. I was going through some of the footage and I realized I didn't really film a proper outro for you guys where I was actually talking about what happened. So basically I had a MacBook Pro, or excuse me, a MacBook Air, and I was having to jump through all of these hoops so that I can basically download Windows. Luckily, I found out last minute my mom has a Windows laptop. So all I had to do was drive to Office Depot. I got these little SanDisk USBs. I got a pack of 2 for 8 bucks and they're 32 gigs. But basically I took this, plugged it into my mom's laptop, I downloaded Windows, and from there I took the USB out, I plugged it into Betty, and then that's it. I was able to download the internet and anything that I needed to for Betty to run the way I want her to. And now that it's been a few weeks, I've been editing videos on it, and that's been great. I've also been live streaming, and that's been super fun. Live streaming on Twitch. I've been playing Valorant. Mind you, this is the first game I've ever played in my life outside of like Tsum Tsums and like Tetris. So I've been playing Valorant. I'm not very good, but I'm getting better. And I've been trying to live stream on Twitch. But if you guys want to play with me, like, I would like to play with you guys. I don't know how to, but I've made a Discord. I'm still trying to figure out Discord. I'm still trying to figure everything out, but I've been playing Valorant and it's been really fun. If you want to find me on Twitch, it's McNatty. Anyway, so now that everything is complete, I can give you guys a tour of my desktop. And I can give you guys, I even got, Corsair also sent me the glass panel, so she's also complete on that side that she broke. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching this and being here with me, and I hope to see you next time in any of my other videos. Booyah, bitches. Sorry, I didn't mean that was a little much. Booyah!